This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. Today topic is rank of a matrix by echelon form of a matrix. The topic is the echelon form of a matrix, that to find the rank of a matrix. That actually we need to discuss what is the meaning of the echelon form of a matrix. And after that, understanding the echelon form of a matrix, then only we need to get some idea what is the rank of a matrix. Therefore, first of all, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of the echelon form of a matrix and what are the conditions, then how to find the solution. Therefore, the echelon form is also sometimes it is called as a elementary, the row echelon form of a matrix. Therefore, at the time of that row echelon form, it is nothing but by using only row operations. That by using the row operations are nothing but, as we discussed in the previous classes, the three conditions we need to apply. That means should not applying any column operations. That they are also interchange of any two rows, multiplication with any non-zero number, or something Ri plus alpha into Rj, Res into Rj. By using the three conditions only, then we need to change it to one of the standard form. That is a standard form. Based upon the standard form only, we need to identify whether the matrix, what is the rank of a matrix. And here, that is the three conditions. What are the three conditions means we need to understand first of all. Here, a matrix is said to be in echelon form if these are the three following conditions are we need to compulsory satisfy. And what are the three conditions? By applying the three row operations, we need to get one of the matrix. That is, in the final matrices, for example, the zero rows are occur or something, the zero rows, if any occurs, you should write in the last. That is a fundamental first basic condition. Second condition, the first non-zero element in each and every non-zero is equal to 1. And the third one, the number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such rows in the next row. These are the three conditions. If it is satisfied, then only the matrix is said to be echelon form of a matrix. Here, first one, the number of non-zero rows in echelon form of a matrix is said to be the rank of a matrix. That is a compulsory we need to identify. Whenever the given matrix is satisfied, the echelon form, then based upon the observation, the echelon form, the number of non-zero rows in the echelon form is equal to the rank of a matrix. And second one, the rank of a matrix, that is nothing but the rank of the transpose of a matrix is the original matrix. That means the given matrix is the transpose of a matrix. Therefore, the rank of a matrix, there is no change. And again, finally, the third condition, what we are discussed here, the echelon form of a three conditions. The second condition, it is a not mandatory. Therefore, only we need to focus on the first row, first condition, and also that is the third condition. For example, if you are observing, these are the two example. It is a first row matrix is a, that is a 4 by 4 matrix. The elements are clearly 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 0 1 1, and last row is a 0 0 0 0. And it is clearly satisfied the row echelon form. Why? Because in this 4 by 4 matrix, here first condition it is clearly satisfied, that is 0 rows are available, then you need to write in the last row. Therefore, it is clearly it is a 0. And again, the coming to point, the remaining the 3 rows, in these 3 rows, there is these 3 rows are called as a non-zero row. Why? Because in each and every element which is involving one of the value, that is a non-zero number. Therefore, it is clearly by observing the 0 rows are available, it is clearly we mention that it is a last row only. And remaining the 3 rows, it is a non-zero number. And second condition, before the first non-zero number, it is a, for example, here first row is a 1 value. Before the first non-zero element, there is no zeros. And in the second row, before the non-zero number, it is a 1 0 is a 1 0. And again, the third row, it is a before non-zero number, it is a 2 zeros are available. By observing these 3 rows, it is a number of before the non-zero number, the zero values are clearly satisfied the increasing order. Therefore, it is called as a echelon form. It is clearly satisfied. And one other condition, the second example here, this is the 2 by 6 is a matrix. And under this 2 by 6 matrices, it is a third row is a clearly all the elements are 0. Therefore, here clearly mention it is a 0 rows. Therefore, here mention the last row. And again, the remaining, the first row and second row, before the non-zero number, it is clearly there is no zeros. And before the non-zero number, it is a 1 0. Therefore, it is also the third condition, it is clearly satisfied. That is, before the non-zero number, the zeros are according to that is an increasing order. Therefore, based upon these are the two example, it is a clear concept of the satisfied, it is echelon form of a matrix. And based upon this echelon form of a matrix, for example, if you want to repeat the rank of a matrix of the first one, it is rank is equal to, that is a 2 is a 3 is a value. Why? Because according to that node condition first one, the number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of a matrix. Therefore, in this first example, the number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to 3 is a value. And similarly, the second example is also, if it is required that the rank of a matrix, it is equal to, that is a 2 only. Why? Because it is a number of non-zero rows in this matrix is equal to 2 rows. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to 2 is a matrix. And again, next one, reduced row echelon form. The reduced to row echelon form is also nothing but a matrix is in reduced row echelon form, that is RREF. That RREF is nothing but reduced row echelon form when it is satisfied the following condition. It is the matrix is satisfied condition for a row echelon form. Second one, the leading entry in each row is the only non-zero entry in its first column. That is the meaning of the row reduced echelon form. These are the some of the example under the row reduced echelon form. It is nothing but first element is 0 rows are available. It is there is no 0 rows. For example, in the second middle of the example, the 0 rows are available. Therefore, we need to consider it is a last row. And again, the third example also, that is a 0 row. Therefore, it is also mentioned that is a last row. But in this first example, there is no zeros. Therefore, I am not considering that is a 0 row. But remaining the 3 rows, it is clearly the non-zero number. And before the non-zero number, it is a 0, no zeros. And before the non-zero number, it is a 2 zeros. And before the non-zero number, it is a 3 zeros. Therefore, it is a clearly satisfied the echelon form. And it is also clearly satisfied the echelon form. It is also satisfied clearly echelon form. If you want to repeat the first one, the rank of a matrix, it is equal to 3. And it is the second one, the rank of a matrix is a 3. And the third one, it is a rank of a matrix is a 2 is a matrix. Why? Because the number of non-zero rows in the first one is a 3. And again, the second one is also the number of non-zero rows are 3. And the third one, the number of non-zero rows is equal to 2 is a condition. Next one, for example, the following matrices are echelon form. Whether it is correct or wrong, we need to identify. What it is here? The first one is a 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. And last one, 1, 0, 2, 2. And again the 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 is a value. While we are observing, it is a 4 matrices. That 4 matrices are also clearly satisfied the echelon form of a matrix. Why? Because the first condition, it is existed. Enduku, the reason is 0 rows, it is not available. That remove, that neglect, that is the first condition. The second condition is also before the non-zero number, it is no zeros. And the second row is also before the non-zero number, it is a zeros. Therefore, it is a clearly satisfied the according to one of the condition. And here the second one also 102, 012 is also before the non-zero number, it is no zeros. And second row before the non-zero number, it is 0. And again, similarly, the third one is also that is if it is 0 rows are available, therefore I consider it is a last row. And again, the remaining it is equal to only one non-zero number. And last one is also there is no number of zeros or rows are available. Therefore, neglect that is a 0 rows condition. Here the before the non-zero number, it is there is no 0, and before the non-zero number, it is a 1, and before the non-zero number it is a 3. Therefore, it is also satisfied the echelon form of a matrix conditions. But if it is required the rank of a matrix in this first matrix is the rank of a matrix is a 2, and second one the rank of a matrix is also 2, the third one rank of a matrix is 1, the third one fourth one rank of a matrix is also 3. The reason is the number of non-zero rows in the first one it is a 2, the number of non-zero rows in the second one is a 2, the third one the number of non-zero rows is equal to 1, and again the number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is also 3 only. And similarly, when you are observing this is the matrix, which one is not a echelon form of a matrix. While we are observing these are the 4 example, it is these are the clearly not satisfied the rank of a matrices. Why? Because when we are observing in this first example, the 0 rows are in the middle of the row is given, but according to if it is required to say something it is a echelon form of a matrix, we need to write it is rank of 0 rows are available, we need to write in the last row. But in this example, it is involving that is a second row, therefore it is not suitable for the echelon form of a matrix. And second one, it is also not a echelon form of a matrix. Because of this one, it is a 0 rows are not available. Therefore, I am not going to discussing that 0 rows, but comparison that before the non-zero number, the zeros are it is not satisfied. Why? Because it is before the non-zero number, the value is there is no 0, but second row, when we are observing that second row and third row, before the non-zero number, it is a second row, it is before the non-zero number is a 2 zeros, but the third row before the non-zero number is a 1 0. But we need to require it is a increasing order it is required, but it is a first second row is a before the non-zero number is a 2, but it is a third row non-zero number is a 0 is there. But actually, if it is required to satisfy the echelon form, the matrix is changed to after the change the row and that is a second row and second third row. It is a 1 0, it is a 3 and 2 and 0 1 0 3, and again the third row is a 0 0 1. It is a 5. If the matrix is given like this, then only this matrix is said to be that is echelon form of a matrix. But in this problem, in this example, it is not in the form of like this. Therefore, this is also not echelon form of a matrix. And again here, it is a third one 1 1 2 0 0 2. Actually, it is satisfied. It is echelon form of a matrix. But according to if we need to follow with the help of that first element in the first each and every row, it is 1 is required, but it is 2 is a value. Therefore, by after that dividing like with 2 in the second row, then it is a 1 1 2 and again 0 0 1. Then only this matrix is said to be clearly that is echelon form of a standard formula. And again similarly, coming to point that is a fourth one, it is a 1 0 minus 1, that 1 minus 1 2 is a value. But here it is a second row, while we are observing it is a minus 1, but we need to require it is a 1 value. Therefore, in this total, the matrix is divided by with 2, that is a second row. Then only it is a standard form, it is a satisfied the echelon form, that is equal to 1 0 minus 1 and 0 1 minus 2. Then only this matrix is said to be the echelon form of a matrix in the standard formula. Next one. Now we are going to discuss one of the problem. Find the rank of a matrix, that is a 2 3 7 3 minus 4 2 3 minus 2 4 1 minus 3 minus 1 by reduced to echelon form of a matrix. Here, echelon form of a matrix. That means we need to apply only by using the row operations. That means we should not apply any row operations. That is the meaning of the echelon form of a matrix. By using this echelon form only, we need to find the rank of a matrix. Therefore, here we need to remember in our mind what are the elementary row operations. By using the elementary row operations only, we need to reduce it to standard form of the echelon form. That means here first of all, if we are going to remember in our mind that is echelon form, first of all, if as possible as we try to change it to that is a 0 to reduce it to last row. Therefore, first of all, we need to try. What is it here? The first row, first element, it is a 1 is required basically. But while we are observing in this matrices, it is a one element is involving in the last row only. Therefore, first immediately we need to interchange that is a R1 and also R3. Therefore, by applying according to the property of the R1 and R3, therefore this matrix is changed to 1 minus 3 minus 1. the second row we are not disturbing, that is as it is the 3 minus 2 4. The third row is a 2 3 7 is a value. And again next one, immediately we need to change it to that 3 is equal to 0 and 2 is equal to 0. That is with the help of that is a 1 is a value. Therefore, when we are going to applying that is R2, that is R2 minus 3 R1, then only the 3 is changed to 0. And similarly, when we are applying R3 minus 2 R3, then only that is changed to 0. Therefore, according to these are the two operations by using the elementary row operations. Here R2 is equal to R2 minus that is 3 R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus 2 R1. Then this matrix is changed to, it is a, there is no change of that is R1 row, that is a 1 minus 3 minus 1. By applying R2 minus 3 R1, the matrix is row is changed to 0 7 7, and again the third row is also changed to 0 9 9 is a value. And again after that, here when we are going to, here it is divided by R2 is divided by 7 and R3 is also divided by 9. Therefore, the matrix is changed to, that is R2 is changed to 0 1 1 and 0 1 1 is R3. But we are not disturbing that is R1 value. Therefore, 1 minus 3 minus 1 is a same value. Therefore, again here R3 minus R2. Therefore, we need to change that 1 1 is equal to, with the help of the R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. Therefore, here 1 minus 3 minus 1, there is no change of, we are not disturbing the R1 and we are not disturbing including in the R2 also. Only we are disturbing like that R3 is equal to R3 minus R2 is a value. Therefore, R3 minus R2 is equal to, by applying this condition, it is a 0 0 0 is a value. Therefore, it is clearly changed in the last row is changed to like that 0. Therefore, the first condition it is satisfied, and second condition, before the non-zero number it is there is no 0, and while we are observing the second row before the non-zero number it is 1 0, and again therefore it is clearly satisfied, it is the echelon form of a matrix. And according to, if it is saying something it is echelon form of a matrix, therefore the condition of the number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of a matrix. But in this particularly, what we are confirmed the echelon form of a matrix, based upon this echelon form of a matrix, by observing the number of non-zero rows, here it is equal to 2. Therefore, by the property of that the number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of a matrix. But in this problem, the number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. Therefore, the rank of a matrix, we can say that it is equal to 2 is a matrix. Next one, for example, it is by using the elementary row operations, here we need to find the rank of a matrix, or we reduce it to echelon form of a matrix. Therefore, here the matrix is 1 1 1 minus 1, 3 4 minus 1, 5 6 minus 3, minus 2 minus 2 2. And again, while we are observing here, previously according to when we are observing here, the first value is clearly involving, it is a 1 value. With the help of this 1 value, now we need to change the 3 is equal to 0 and 5 is equal to 0 and minus 2 is also 0. Therefore, for the purpose of this one, first of all, I am going to changing like the 3 is equal to 0 with the help of that 1. Therefore, that is R3 minus 3 R1. Therefore, with the help of this condition, 1 1 minus 1, and again R3 minus, that is R3 minus 3 R1 is equal to, by applying this condition, the second matrix is, second row is changed to, that is a 0 1 and also 2. And again similarly, we are not disturbing, first of all it is R3 and also R4. Therefore, it is by applying R3 minus 3 R1, only 1 1 minus 1, 0 1 2, 5 6 minus 3, that minus 2 and also 2 is a value. And similarly, when we are going to change into something, 5 is also like that 0, that is with the help of the 1 value. Similarly, above condition, it is nothing but it is R3 is equal to, that is R3 minus, that is 5 R1 is a condition. By using this condition, that is row operation, it is nothing but 1 1 1 minus 1 is, there is no change, 0 1 2 is also there is no change, and R4 is also there is no change, minus 2 that is a 2 value. Only we are changing it to something, it is a condition with the help of R3 minus 5 R1 is a value. Therefore, R3 minus 5 R1 is nothing but it is changed to, that is 5 6 minus 3 is changes to, that is 0 1 2 is a value. And again finally, with the help of that R4, with the help of that R4, that is with the help of that R1, here how to change it like that 0, it is a R4 is equal to, that is a R4, that is a plus, that is a 2 into R1. Same this process here by applying this condition, it is a matrix is changed to, that is R1 is no change, R2 is no change and R3 is equal to no change. Only we are changing it like that R4, that is with the help of the previous condition, that is 0, 0, 0 is a condition. And now when we are observing this is the matrix, it is not a echelon form of a matrix. Why? Because here the first row, that is a 0 rows, it is a satisfied, therefore the 0 rows it is a satisfied. But while we are observing the first row, second row and third row, it is not a standard form of the echelon form. Why? Because before the first non-zero element there is no 0, the condition is okay. But here the before the non-zero number, the 0 rows are 0 values are here 1, and before the non-zero number it is also 1 0 is existed. But as per according to the echelon form, we required it is a systematic increasing, that is a order is a required. Therefore, for the purpose of this one, if it is a required to say it is a echelon form of a matrix, now we need to change this is the one value is also 0. Therefore, with the help of that, that is a R2 value. Therefore, by applying that R3 is equal to, that is a R3 minus R2, then immediately that one value is also changed to something 0. Therefore, R1 is no change, 1, 1 minus 1, and R2 is also no change, that is 0, 1, 2, and R4 is also no change, 0, 0, 0. Only we are implementing like applying on the R3, that is R3 minus R2. Therefore, with the help of this is R3 minus R2, that R3 is changed to something 0, 0, 0 is a value. Therefore, by observing this is a matrix, it is clearly satisfied. It is a matrix is a echelon form of a matrix. Why? Because it is clearly it is a 0 rows are available here. I mentioned it is a last row, that is a R3 and again R4 is a 2 0 rows, and again R1 and R2 is a non-zero number. Therefore, it is R1 is nothing but 1 0 minus 3, R2 is equal to 1 1 2 only, that R3 R4 is a 0 rows clearly. Therefore, it is a clearly satisfied the echelon form of a matrix. Therefore, if it is echelon form of a matrix, if we want to say to like find the rank of a matrix, with the help of this is the echelon form, the number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of a matrix. Here, the number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is equal to, that is a 2 is a matrix. This is the matrix by using the echelon form of a matrix. It is clearly according to 1 by 1, this is a matrix. And for example, it is a matrix is a is equal to 1 2 1, minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 1, 3 5 0 is a value. Therefore, here also we need to find what is the rank of a matrix with the help of the echelon form of a matrix. Here also we need to remember what are the elementary row operations, and conclusion you remember what is the meaning of the what is the standard form of the echelon form. Therefore, when we are observing this problem also, that first element first row it is clearly satisfied 1, but while we are observing here it is a minus 2 and 3 is a value. Therefore, by using the row operations, we need to change it is a minus 2 is equal to 0 and 3 is also 0. Therefore, with the help of that R1, that is a 2 R1 plus R2, it is equal to by applying on the R2, R1 is no change and R3 is also no change. Therefore, 1 to 1, the R3 is also 3 5 0. Only we are modified like the 2 R1 plus R2 on the R2 row. Therefore, with the help of that R2 and again R1, it is a minus 2 plus 1 is nothing, minus 2 plus 2 into 1, it is equal to plus 2. Therefore, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. And similarly, minus 3 plus 2, it is nothing but change it like that. It is equal to 2 into value, it is a 1. And again, similarly, it is also 3 value. But it is also required in the form of minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 R1 plus R3 is equal to, that is a R3. Therefore, conclusion of this one, it is nothing but it is a 1, that is a 2 1, and again the second row is a 0 1 3, the third row is a 0 minus 1 minus 3. And again finally, with the help of this one, what it is here, 0 1 2 1, 0 1 3 and 0 minus 1 3. From this matrices here, it is equal to minus 2 R1 plus R2 is equal to, the matrix is a 1 0 minus 5 and 0 1 3 0 0 0. while we are observing this matrices clearly satisfied the echelon form of a matrix. Why? Because the 0 rows are available, therefore I consider it is the last row, and the remaining values are clearly satisfied. The before the non-zero number is something zeros are clearly satisfied. Therefore, according to it is satisfied the echelon form of a matrix. By the definition of the echelon form of a matrix, the number of non-zero rows is equal to the rank of a matrix. But in this problem, in this echelon form, the number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is also 2 is a matrix. Next one, find the rank of a matrix. This is the example. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7. And it is also similarly what it is here. While we are observing this matrices, the first row, first element, it is clearly satisfied 1. And with the help of this one, now we need to change what is the value of t, how to reduce it to 0, and 3, how to reduce it to 0. By applying the R2 on that R2, that is the R2 minus 2 R1, and R3, similarly by applying the R3 minus 3 R2, the matrix, the rows are changed to like that 0 minus 1 minus 2, and again the third row is also changed to 0 minus 1 minus 2. And again conclusion of this one, it is also 0 minus 1 minus 2 and 0 minus 1 minus 2, it is both are the repeated, that is R2 row and R3 row. And according to it is clearly by applying like R3 minus R2, therefore the R2 is row is changed to, that is a zeros, therefore R1 row is a 1, 2, 3, second R2 is a 0 minus 1 minus 2, the R3 row is a 0, 0, 0 is a value. Therefore, it is also indirectly the echelon form of a matrix. Here, therefore, the number of non-zero rows in this matrices are, that is a 2. Therefore, with the conclusion of the number of non-zero rows is equal to 2 is nothing but the rank of a matrix is also 2 is a matrix. Next one, find the rank of the matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 0. And it is also, we need to find out what is the rank of the matrix. Here according to, actually again one more thing, remember it is a matrix is the 3 by 4. Here if it is a matrix is the 3 by 4, according to the property of the rank of a matrix is also automatically which is less than or equal to 3 only. Why? Because it is a 3 or something, whatever it may be, that is a 3 condition. Why? Because the matrix is according to A of m cross n, the rank of a matrix is minimum of the rank of the given matrix. Here based upon this condition, the order of the matrix is 3 by 4, automatically the rank of A is less than or equal to 3 is a condition. Either maybe 3 or something less than 3 is a condition. That is a property of the given matrices. Therefore, now we want to check it what is the rank of the matrix. Here according to the first row in this matrix also, the first row first element is 1. Therefore, with the help of this 1, you need to change that 3 is equal to 0 and 2 is also 0. And here by applying on R2, that is R2 minus 3 R1, and R2 that is by applying that is R2 minus 2 R1 value. Therefore, by applying these are the two operations, the matrix is changed to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 2. That is by doing these are the two operations, we are changed to this is the matrix. And finally, this is also not a echelon form of a matrix. Why? Because before the when we are observing this is the R2 and also R3, it is a before the non-zero numbers are, it is a zeros are same condition. But as per the echelon form of a matrix, it is not required to same the condition. We need to change it to reduce it to before the non-zero number 0 terms. Therefore, here by applying that once again R3 minus R2, therefore R3 is changed to something 0, 0, 0 minus 1. Therefore, it is clearly now it is echelon form of a matrix. But in this matrices, it is a number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is equal to 3 is a condition. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.